Hi friends, welcome to the first module of Financial Management, that is Introduction to Financial Management. Let's assume that you are going to start a business. When you start a business, you should decide what are the assets you require. Then you should be in a position to estimate what the total cost of these assets would be. So, once you have these two, you will be able to start the business. But this alone is not sufficient. You have to run your business on a daily basis. So, you need to know the cash required to run the business. So, now you have a fair idea about the cash that is required for starting the business and running the business. Then, what you should do? You should identify the sources. That is, the sources have to be tapped for funding your business, funding your assets, and funding the cash required to run the business. These sources can be from owner's pockets or outsider's pockets. What you have to ensure is the cost of these funds are low as possible. Then only the profits of the business can be maximized. So, we can say financial management is mainly concerned with financing your business, that is, arranging the funds so that those funds can be allocated effectively for fixed assets creation, for running your business, and all these are done with an intention to maximize the profit of the business. So, we can say financial management is concerned with financing decisions, then allocating decisions, and profit distribution decisions, that is, dividend decisions. Therefore, financial management is concerned with financing, allocation of funds, and dividend decisions. Now let's see the definition of financial management. According to J.L. Messi, financial management is the operational activity of a business that is responsible for obtaining and effectively utilizing the funds necessary for efficient business operations. So, we have got an idea about what is financial management. The next topic is nature or features of financial management. The first feature is that management of money. Financial management is an art and science of management of money or funds or resources. It deals with the problems of money or finance in a business. The second point is that financial planning and control. Financial management is concerned with planning and controlling of finance. The third point is that determination of business success. So what is the key factor of success? In business, it is finance. Finance manager plays an important role in the success of a business. The fourth point is focus on decision making. In financial management, the focus is in financial decision making. It gives analysis of data which facilitates decision making. The next point is centralized in nature. Unlike other functional areas like production, marketing, financial management is centralized in nature. In finance function, decentralization is not possible. The next point is multidisciplinary. Why financial management is a multidisciplinary? Because financial management relies on disciplines such as economics, accounting, production, marketing, operations research, etc. So, FM is a multidisciplinary subject. So, these are the features of financial management.